Do you know this is the best chutney with your idli? It might be any kind of an idli. It might be a tatte idli, pudi idli, plain idli, button idli, whatever idli you prepare it for it. This chutney is the best combination. It's a coconut chana dal chutney where the ingredients are very simple. We'll have a coconut and chana dal, pudina, coriander, and a few leaves of curry leaves and two garlic and chilies, green chilies. Okay, to start with, let's roast the chana dal for a few minutes, so hardly 2-3 minutes till it gets roasted, which turns to a light brown or a blackish. And then we have to roast the green chilies along with this, and then add all other ingredients to the mixie and then grind it, and then just taste it with any of your soft idli to know and claim that yes, this is the best chutney with any sort of an idli. Yeah, so now let's roast the green chili and add it to the jar along with the roasted chana dal, and add 1 inch of ginger along with the other leaves and coconut. When I say leaves, it is coriander, pudina, and curry leaves, and add salt. And here is a secret item. It is tamarind, some 2 to 3 grams of washed tamarind, and then some water, and then just grind it. You will get the mix of tangy flavor along with mint and creamy flavor and chana flavor all mixed together, which gives the best combination for your idli. So just enjoy it and be happy. I'm sure you will like this recipe. So try it and like it. If you have liked it, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on the channel. Thank you for watching. See ya.